Hi, my name is Veer, and I just got done with hockey practice, and now Mommy said we're going to go somewhere fun, and so we're going now. And she won't tell us where we're going.
It's a surprise.
I know she's not taking us home, and I know she's not taking us to the park. To Dollar Tree?
No.
Target?
Nope.
The cinema?
Nope.
Somewhere where I can play laser tag?
Nope.
Somewhere wait.
Keep guessing. Here we are. We're here at a farm.
Okay.
And they have hay rides over here. They have...
Is this the one where I saw Jojo?
No. This is the Brown family farm. They have hay rides over here today. And what else? They have cows that you can pet. How beautiful it is. The cows? Yes, you can milk the cows over here.
Wait, without anybody?
Yeah. I don't know how to do it, but yeah. That's what it said online. Oh my. So pretty. Anna?
Yeah.
Alright. Cows?
Yes.
Yep. See? And the cows over there. Baby hasn't seen cows, right? But baby likes to make the sound of the cows.
Yes.
So here we are. We're going to show the baby some cows.
That's the Brown family farm, and we're going to the greenhouse. Because that's where everything is. Let's go see some cows.
Want to try?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold it tight and then hold it down. So put it at the top, way at the top. Grab her like that, all the way around like that. There, now pull it, see?
Now you know how to milk the cow?
Yeah.
Can you do it yourself?
Yeah.
Try it? Wow, look at you.
They're a match.
How was your experience milking the cow?
Fun.
It was fun?
Yeah, now I'm gonna drink some.
Okay. All right, drink some fresh milk. Try some fresh milk. Fresh milk. Chocolate milk. Here, Papa. Try some. It's good? Good? You want a sip?
This one has something dirty on it.
It's just Kabir.
No, it isn't Kabir. It was there when we got it. Okay, we got out of line.
It's okay, you can use this cup. Come here, Kabir. Here, Veer.
By the way, on the other side of
Uh-huh.
the trash can.
Okay, thank you. You want more? Okay, here you go.
How much is we gonna get?
Ah, that's fresh chocolate milk from the cow. Precious. Oh my God, you're so cute. Cute. Take him home with me.
I'm cleaning it with my t-shirt. We're getting ice cream.
It's ice cream time. Do you see the cow over there, Veer? So this is a greenhouse. Yeah, see that's spinach right there.
Look, there's a butterfly thing.
Yeah.
This is spinach?
Spinach is right here. I'm pretty sure this is spinach. And see, those are tomatoes. See the tomatoes?
Wait, tomatoes where?
Tomatoes are right there.
At the back?
Yep. Over there.
Right there? Over there?
Yep, those are tomatoes. This looks like basil.
And look at plants to the side. Which one you should get?
He wants a bite. Give him a bite of ice cream.
Pick one. I picked one.
No, we can't pick these. Not me, your brother. Your brother is asking for a bite. I finish up your ice cream so we can go look at some cows.
Let's go see the cows now. Wait, can we?
Yeah, not on the face though.
I don't know how to get it. Mommy didn't use it.
What sound does a cow make? Boo! Boo!
No.
Yeah. Kabir, what sound does a cow make? Moo. See? Cow said hi to me. Cow, yes, that's a cow.
Going for the hay.
Yay, let's go.
Hey, let's go.
You want to go feed the cow?
Oh, no, no.
You want to go pet the cow? Go pet the cow. Go, go.
You guys wanna,
Go pet the cow.
No, they can't hop up. But if the cows come near, you can feed it. Here, bro.
You also want to go?
Come here. Here, get a handful.
You say cow.
If you want to feed them, we have some.
Okay. Pet the cow. It's really close. You want to go close and see?
If you like, they like you. The
I'm great.
they see his faces a lot.
I just fed one.
Yeah. How was it?
Good. He just licked my hand.
Oh my gosh, it's dirty.
Wait, I have more of them.
And I wipe it for you.
Alright, sit down. Sit down. You were?
Go, get out.
Yeah, the cows are not going. They just want to hang around.
You know, he did all of it.
You want to pet one when we go back? Veer, how was the hayride?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You enjoying?
Especially when we stopped over here.
For the cows?
No, right over here.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes.
You want to watch? Ryan?
Ready? Ready? Yeah, you want some more? Some more water?
Can you pour some on me?
Yes, of course. Oh, no, not milk on you, man. Not milk on you. Why are you putting milk on yourself? Drink milk.
Here. I don't like it. No, pour water on me.
Water finish हो गया है.
Oh. Okay, I'll get some more in here.
Okay, go. Oh my gosh.
You want water? I'll get you some.
Save some. The babies are coming. Oh, you already got some. Sorry. You're a vegetarian, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I see animals, I'm like, I'm pretty much vegetarian. It's not.
Hey, Raya, you want to go?
Oh!
After washing,
Oh my God! What are you doing? Wash your hands.
wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Oh my gosh! No.
Put some water on the plant. Don't forget to visit Brown Family Farm in Lake Forest. The same event is happening again, April 18 and 25, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We just got home and now we're tired, so we're relaxing. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.